So I'm going to show you guys how to set up custom shields or vanilla shields, and as well as staves, getting them set up with the mod. So when it loads up, select the Skyrim.esm and the AttT.esm. If you're using a custom shield or staff mod, make sure you have that selected as the active file. I don't have any, so I'm just going to do a vanilla version of each. So you would just click OK. I've already loaded all this up, so I'm just going to click cancel. Then go to Items, Weapon. Second click anywhere on the screen, New. So first we'll do a shield. I'll do Spellbreaker. So the ID can be whatever you want. I'm going to go AA Spellbreaker Backup. And then the name can be whatever you want as well, but I'm going to put Spellbreaker on back. Now there shouldn't be any enchantment value or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. We then go to Equip Type, and the Equip type we select is AA Shield Backup. We then go to the Art and Sound tab and click Edit under the model, and then click Edit again. I have all the vanilla weapons pre-done already, and same with vanilla staffs. If you want to add a custom one, you're going to have to follow one of my other tutorials showing how to change the string info. So let's find Spellbreaker here. Spellbreaker Backup. And there you can see there it is, and click OK. Next part is very important. We're going to have to give it an animation, and it's the anim type. So we're limited on how many we can use. The staff will make sure nothing shows. The axe and the two-handed axe and two-handed sword will make sure that each other don't show. And we do have a free spot called hand-to-hand melee. So we are limited to how many things we can see at once. So I'm going to use the free spot for this, the hand-to-hand melee spot. Once we do that, we click OK, and now we have created the file. So make sure you have weapon clicked, and now type in up at the filter the name. So that was AA Spell Breaker Backup. Now second click on it, edit. Now we're going to add a script. So click Add, type in AttT, and it's going to be AttT Backup. Click on it, Properties, and W is this backup weapon called AA Spellbreaker Backup. That's what I called it. Click OK, click OK. There, that part's done. Now we go to Armor, and you can just use the filter again. I'm just going to type in Spell, so I can find Spellbreaker here. Second click on it, edit. Now we're going to add a new script. Type in AttT, and it's called AttT Base Shield. Once again here, all we have to do is put in the W2, so click on it, edit value, and once again it's that backup, AA Spellbreaker Backup. Click OK. OK. There, it's done. So then you would go File, Save, and you can save it whatever you want. So I'll just call mine AttT whatever. So now we'll add a staff. So same thing, go to Weapon, second click, New. The ID, once again, is whatever you want. Obviously I'm going to use WABA. And the name can be whatever you want. I'm going to call mine WABA on back. We go to Equip Type again. This one is AA Staff Backup. Then we go to the Art and Sound tab. Click Edit, Edit. All my stuff once again is under this RMTTT folder. And we'll find the WABA one. There's WABAjack. Then click OK. Once again, we're going to have to do that anim type. So I've already used the hand-to-hand melee spot, and we know the staff, two-hand axe, and two-hand sword spot automatically replace. Sorry, the two-hand axe and two-hand sword take the same spot, and the staff doesn't show anything. So I don't use any one-handed axes, so I'm going to set that as my anim type. We then click OK. Once again, click on Weapon, type in the filter the name you just made. There's my AA WABA Backup. Second click, Edit. Here we're going to add that backup script again, so AttT Backup. Click on it, Properties, edit the value, and this will be my AA WABA backup. Click OK. Click OK. Now we find the original staff. I think this is my reward one here, so second click edit. And here we're going to add the AttT base script. Click on it. Properties. Swapping is always AA backup clear, and W2 is always the backup item. Click OK.